Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will continue solving exercise 3 in Microsoft Excel 2010. We are still working with chapter 4. Chapter 4 is talking about Microsoft Excel. We did cover the interview and the simple environment of Excel, and then we go through exercise 2. We started with exercise 3, and in this video, we will continue. The last point we reached was point number 9, page 98. We did, if you remember, Muscat sheet, which includes information about some of medicines in the pharmacy. The pharmacy name is Star Medical Manufacturing Company. And then we created another sheet called Sohar sheet. We did change some the data in the quantity column, and then at the end we created another sheet called total sales sheet. In this video we will continue doing some changes in this sheet. Question number 9, delete rows 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 at the same time. Now select row 3 and then press Ctrl key. Then select row 4, row 15, row 16, row 17, row 18, and row 19. So we need to select all those rows together. You can see that all of them have the color of blue. And then right mouse click on any one of them, select delete. Now delete column E and G. To delete column E and G together, click on column E, then press Ctrl key on the keyboard and select column G, then right mouse click delete. This was question number 9. Now question number 10, select cells E6 up to E11 and delete the content. The content of the cells should look like hash reference. Delete the content of E4 total amount and change it to total sales. Now select the range of E6 and E11 and delete the content. To delete the content, right mouse click and select clear content. Now select the content of E4 and change it to total sales. Instead of total amount, change it to total sales. Now question number 11. Merge and center cells A2, H2 and apply background color to any shade of tan. Select the cell data area of A2 up to H2 and select merge and center. Apply background color to any shade of tan. Keep selecting the same area and then select the background color, any shade of tan. I will select the first type, which is tan background 2. Now question number 12. In the total sales sheet, click on cell E6 and calculate the total sales of medicines sold in both branches, Muscat branch and Sohar branch, by adding the value of total amount in both branches. Use linking worksheet in your formula to get the value from the both branch, while the equation will be like that: summation F8 from Muscat branch and F8 from Sohar branch. Here we are trying to compute the total sales we will do that for the first medicine, Panadol. So the total sales for the Panadol, we need to compute the sale in Muscat branch, the total amount in Muscat branch, which is in F8, plus the total amount in Sohar branch, which is also in F8, but different sheets. The result should be in total sales sheet in cell E6. So first of all, we need to link the sheets together. To link the sheets together, press Ctrl key and then press on Muscat sheet and Sohar sheet. When you are linking sheets together, the tab color of the sheet, linked sheet, will be white colored. Now click with the mouse on E6, and in order to type the equation, either you will select sum or you will write your own equation by clicking equal. And now go to Muscat sheet, click on Muscat sheet, select the total amount of Panadol, which is on F8. When you are selecting those, Microsoft Excel will write in formula bar Muscat sheet F8. Now add the plus sign because we need to add the total amount of Panadol from Muscat sheet. Add it to. From Sohar sheet, click on Sohar sheet and then select the total amount of Panadol F8. So from Muscat sheet, the total amount of Panadol F8 plus from Sohar sheet, the total amount of Panadol, which is also F8. And then press enter. Now you will have the result here. This result is the total sales from Muscat sheet and Sohar sheet for the Panadol medicine.